and welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today I'm absolutely super excited. We're in my new set! It's actually really hard for me to just focus and think, whoa, I'm in my new set. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Now, you might be wondering, what are we going to be doing in my new set? I did do a video that I will leave in the description box down below on what this new set was going to be about. But that video was a long time ago now, so pretty much my new set's going to be a place for me to have lots of fun and game all at the same time, and I'm super excited because today it is finally finished after so long. So if you like this idea, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, without further ado, on to the video. So ever since so long, we've been really wanting a separate place for me to be able to do my gaming on my channel, and we just couldn't find the right lighting in the right place to do the right thing almost, and so we didn't know where to do it, and we finally found a place, and it was my mom's old office, and I feel like this place was perfect, just almost like to give it an upgrade. And so we have some pictures in it that I painted, and we have some decorations, and I just think it turned out so amazing, better than I could have ever expected, and I'm just really glad how it turned out. So I'm super excited today. So pretty much, first of all, we had to take a bunch of boxes out, and it pretty much just started with us taking boxes, sorting, and then like wiping down, cleaning everything, making it fresh. So also, we've kind of just like been adding decorations, taking out decorations, adding pillows, like taking stuff away, and so it's been a very long process. It took this entire weekend, and that's why I'm super excited today. Now, I will insert some clips up in the corner here, so you can watch. This was like around halfway of the renovation, and it's kind of like a renovation / tour on what was happening at the time. So I'll just insert those there. So right now we're like halfway through the makeover. I just thought I'd come in and give you an update. And so like over here we have like some of my like equipment, and then like over here we have like some slime, and then like some shelving. We're definitely not gonna fill all of it, but it's just good to have it. And then like over here we have like some of my lighting and such. So we're hoping to get like a chair for the desk. And then, so it's going good, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Enjoyed that clip. That was like around halfway through, as I said in the clip, and it was crazy at the time just being able to be so close done but not quite there yet. I'm really excited, and if you're wondering what things we are going to be playing, I have my heart set on games such as Sims 4. Now, if you haven't heard of Sims 4, it's like this game where you can make a character, like any other game, but you can design everything about them, and then you can literally play your character's life. You can buy a house, you can do all this furnishing, you can like make the character do funny things, you can go on this adventure, and there's so much you can do. And so I got into this game around a year ago, and I've just been playing it non-stop. And so I just thought it would be fun for the very first game on here to maybe play some Sims 4. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, till next time, bye guys!